There's not much airflow in my home when my air comes on. What causes that problem?
Poor airflow. It could also be going back to the first question. If your unit is freezing up, you could have poor airflow as well. So a couple things could be side by side there. So you want to check that to make sure it's not freezing over for the poor airflow. And another thing is when you have a dirty unit, a dirty indoor blower motor and a dirty wheel, see what happens when you have the blower motor, which pushes the air in the house, right? So it pushes the air in the house and uses what's called, we call a squirrel cage, but it's a blower wheel that actually pushes the air in. So if you look at the blower wheel, it's kind of like a cup. It has all these little fins on it all around the circle, and it's taking air and it's throwing it and it's pushing it. All right, it's pushing it in the house. So when that becomes dirty, when you have a dirt and a dust build up on it, it becomes flattened. So now you're trying to push air like this. Obviously not as effective as the cup, right? So one thing you could look at is make sure your unit is clean. We go to quite a few systems where that blower wheel needs to be taken out, taken outside, cleaned, sprayed down, dried off, and then put back inside, because there's so much of a cake of dirt and dust on that blower wheel that it's going from a cup to straight, and therefore it's not catching the air, it's not throwing it back in the house. So outside of that, in the freezing unit, check your duct system to make sure that's happening as well. Again, the EPA says that 20 to 30% of your duct air loss is from the duct system because of leaks. So make sure all of that is sealed up. We have technology available now that can actually seal your duct system down to almost zero of leakage. So check that out, make sure. But really the big cause outside of airflow is a dirty blower motor, dirty blower wheel. So again, when that air cannot when the air cannot get through to the inside the house, to the duct system, that's going to cause a airflow problem. So make sure your unit is clean, make sure your duct system is sealed, and make sure you don't have that freezing going on with your system. So if something feels off, if something feels like it's not normal, go out there and just kind of look it over, check it out, see what's going on, and always, call us if you need us.